Hello everybody, I'm Claire from Made Just Sew and I'm here today to walk you through and make the Collider Quilt. I'm a pattern designer and the Collider Quilt was one of my first patterns and we're going to make it together today. It is made up of 9 Collider blocks, which is then made up of half square triangles, half rectangle triangles and quarter square triangles. So we're going to go through each step, make those, then put them together and then you can see how the quilt comes together. You just need to press open those seams, and that's the first section done. The next part that we're going to do now are these half square triangles here. So we're just going to, again, just line them up ready. I like to build it up knowing I've got it in the right places.